it may be very helpful for you to first identify the various types of relationships in your life. Now, when I say relationships, I mean anything, any connection that you have with somebody else. It might be your parents, your spouse, your lover, your partner, your friend. It might be someone that you're in business with, somebody that you work for, work with, anything. Somebody that you like meeting up with when you're at the gym. Now, the first thing to understand is that by connecting with these people, you formed a relationship with them. Now comes the difficult part, to openly and honestly rate that relationship. Because while you might think that a relationship is positive and it helps you and it adds to your life, it may very well do that, but come at a particular cost. So, for example, you may have a business partner, and that business partner, together, you guys are achieving amazing things at work. However, when you go home, then you're sitting with all the stress and the anger and the fear and resentment and all the other bits that come with it. And that's, you might justify as the cost of doing business. But you need to then decide if that's enough. So, when rating your relationships, bear in mind that it doesn't have to be all good or all bad. It will 99.9% of the time be a combination of the two. You need to have a look at what is the payoff that you get from the relationship. And it doesn't have to be monetary, it can be making you feel good, making you feel safe, providing you with stability, providing you with a way to keep away the loneliness. So have a look at the payoff and then have a look at the cost that it comes with. Does it come with uncertainty? Does it come with fear? Does it come with something which is causing distress to you and to your life? Once you've rated your relationships, then you can start to figure out what relationships you need to keep and what relationships you need to let go of.